Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making over my iPhone just for a new refresh. So if you're excited, then stick around. So the main reason I'm doing an iPhone makeover is I just want something new. You know, change is good. I think it's important to switch things up, try new things. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today, trying to just switch it up. And I feel like I'm using my iPad more for a lot of my apps. So I really only want the apps that I use mainly on my iPhone to kind of be there. So I just want to refresh. I have two main inspirations. I'll put them up on the screen. And I really want it to just kind of get it to be fairly simple, have only the apps that I'm going to be really using, and I just want, I don't know, I just want something new. So right now I have this kind of like really purpley vibe, and I just want something a little different. It's like super purple, and I kind of want it to change into something a little bit calmer, neutral, and I really want there to be fewer pages, because right now there's like 6 pages, 5, I don't even know, but there's a lot of pages, so I just kind of want maybe like 2, 3 at the most pages on my phone. So first, let's look for some wallpapers right now on Pinterest. I think I want some kind of like floral or maybe something like that for my wallpaper, and that will be for my home screen and lock screen. And then for my widgets, I'm thinking something a little bit calmer and more neutral, maybe like quotes. So let's start changing all these widgets right now. Okay, now that I've changed the colors, it's time to change the photos. Alright, so here are the photos I want to use as widgets. Now let's add them in. So I have some ideas for some quotes that I might want as a widget. So I'm thinking for my theme, I might want either something like this, maybe something like this, or this. Alright, now let's add in those last couple of widgets. That's actually kind of cute. It's like almost like a flower cut in half. I kind of like that. Alright, now that I have my widgets all updated, I'm going to change my background picture. So I'm going to go into my settings. I'm going to go to wallpaper, choose new wallpaper. Let's try this one as my home. I don't think I know how I feel about that. Let's try a different one. Let's try this as my home. Let's try this. Let's try that like just as like a green. You know what? I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get rid of this one for now. And I'm gonna bring in this widget instead. Now I'm gonna bring in these. Okay, I'm liking this. So now that we have a home screen, let's figure out the next couple of things. I don't want this to-do list anymore. And I don't want the calendar either. So now what things do I already have? Photos is already on here. So I'm thinking maybe I'll just put that away. I'll put that in there. Calendar is already on there, so I'm going to move that. And I'm just going to keep doing this. Alright, so now that I got those apps out of the way, the ones that I don't normally use, I'm going to start moving apps over that I do use onto this last home screen page right now. going to move all of these apps into apps over here. And now let's edit this title to be red. And I usually like to put an emoji of some kind, so let me just, there, that's good. And now I'll move over these rest of these folders. And now I'm going to move over this widget down to the bottom of this page. Actually, I'll put it on the top. So there's one more thing I want to change in this thing right here. Actually, this bookmark doesn't have any purpose anymore, so I need to add in one more bookmark. So I'm going to go to shortcuts and add in another bookmark. So I'm going to click the plus sign in the corner and then hit add action. I'm going to search open app, and then once I do that, I'm going to click on open app and choose the app I want to use, which is chat. And now I'm going to hit the three dots in the corner and add in the name for the shortcut, which is Google Chat. And then once I'm done, I'm going to click the button add to home screen. Now I'm going to type in the shortcut name. This is what's going to appear on my home screen. So let me just screenshot this. Done, saved in photos. And now I'm going to go into shortcuts and choose the photo that I just took. And I'm going to hit add. And now that that's added to my home screen, I'm going to move that over into its new spot. So I'm going to delete this bookmark, and I'm going to move this bookmark over there. Now one last thing is I want to put the correct order for the color, so now that they're in rainbow order. So we have red.
And we'll have just orange, green, blue. We'll go purple, gray, white.
And then we'll have all the games at the bottom. So this is what my new home screen looks like. And I think it looks super good. Now one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this. I don't want that, so I'm just going to hide that from my pages. Alright, now here's what it looks like. I think it looks really good. Alright, so that's my iPhone transformation. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching me transform my iPhone. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!